Okay guys, here we're back on site. Today's day 3. Came in yesterday, prepped everything, primed the wall, let that dry, then I templated, cut and set these 2x2 mosaics. So a little bit of cleaning up to do here. Around the outlets, got to mill out a little bit for the screws. Clean it up, then we're going to be grouting it in today with a pay ultra color FA, and this is an avalanche, basically like a bright white. So that is what we're doing today, day 3 of this project.
I got a 2-car driveway. I shut it. Oh, there were no kids out there. They're cool, nice to have, fun, great time. I actually thought that how the fuck is no kids? Seen a crow, baby. I gotta go up there and make them fall in love with you. Then you can say whatever the picture is and look back once you find it. Prescription eyewear. If you are active and have bad eyes, do not skip this shit. Rotate up that they are ultra lightweight.
That's it, all grouted and caulked where necessary. A pay FA, avalanche. Came out really clean. On to the next project.